Hey guys, how's it going? Just a really quick update just to let you know, for those of you that are interested, that we've relaunched our Etsy store, so everything is back up and running. So I'm just going to show you a couple of pieces that we've got for sale, just as so you can kind of see what we sell and all that kind of stuff. And then we'll leave the links for the store in the description below. Alright, so basically all the pieces that we've got are either wrapped in wire like these ones or string like these ones. So these are generally always done by Kay. And these are some of my favourite ones. So this is a red tiger's eye wrapped in this nice wire cage like this. And then we've got some nice pieces of sea glass for sale. So this is from Siam in England. Really nice little piece. Then there's some citrine wrapped in a spiral like that. And then this is a really nice piece, we really like these ones. So I think this is a form of glass called tiger's glass. And again, that's just wrapped in some really nice wire there. And then with the string pieces, we've got a few different ways we can do it. If you've already got a stone or a crystal yourself, then we can make these empty pouches like this. And so that if you've got a stone of your own already, you can just slide that bead up. And then put your own crystal in like that. So that's one option. Or if you don't have a stone, then we've got the pre-made ones already. And there's a couple of different styles that we've got for that. So these ones are wrapped around the outside of like a flat stone like this. So we've got a few different stones that we've got in stock that we can wrap like this. There's an amethyst, and I think this is green aventurine. And then that one is a smoky quartz. So if we hold that up to the light, you'll be able to see through it. Really cool. Amazing little stone. Or we've got the ones wrapped in like a string cage like this, or a string pouch. So these are just a few that we've got made at the moment. Really like this one. I did this just as kind of like a bit of an experiment the other day. So this is 8 different colours of string all wrapped into one pouch, which makes this really cool pattern as it goes up the necklace. And then we've got this one more piece of tiger glass that we've got made here in a string pouch as well. And we like this especially because again you can see through it. Looks really cool. So yeah, like I said, just a super quick update. The store's back up and running. If you want to customise any of the pieces that we've got on the store, then just send us a message. Or if you've got a complete custom order that you've got in mind, then drop us a message on there, or in the comments in here, or just get in touch somehow and we'll be able to do that for you. Other than that, we'll see you in the next video. Cheers guys!